Welcome to this tutorial of Kyligence Zen. In this tutorial, we will explore how to analyze data using Kyligence connector in Microsoft Excel. Then we can do further analysis of metrics built up in your Zen using Excel. To begin, follow these steps to install Kyligence connector for Excel. Open Excel and click on the Get Add-ins button. In the Add-ins dialog box, search for Kyligence in the search bar. Click on Add next to Kyligence connector to install it. Once successful, navigate to the Kyligence tab. Then select the desired metrics and click OK to add them to your analysis. Once the metrics are imported, drag them into the Values field. These are basically data you will analyze later. Then drag dimensions into the Rows and Columns fields to filter the data based on dimension values. Also, don't forget to set filters as desired or needed. Click Update to generate the resulting data based on your selections. Take a look at the data here. The metrics on your Zen have already been successfully imported to Excel. To better make sense of the data, you can sort the results based on dimensions and metric indicators. For example, first we can sort data by year in descending order so that newer data will come first. Then we can also sort our data according to numbers of active customers each month in descending order. By doing so, our data will be reorganized in the way that, for each year, data with fewer monthly total active customers will appear before data with more monthly total active customers. Select all of the number of active customers each month in 2018. Click on the Settings button and select Show Subtotals. Then we can get the total number of active customers for each year. Besides sorting and getting subtotals, we can also filter dimensions on rows and columns to focus on specific subsets of data. For example, if we only want to focus on AWSCN, we can filter it by setting the row value equal to AWSCN. This will give out the data on AWSCN only. Okay, here it is. The next step is probably to make some visualizations. In the Settings button, click on Get a Report as Table to generate a table from the pivot table. After selecting the table, click on Recommended Charts in the Insert tab of Excel. Select the desired chart, and Excel will automatically create it based on your data. As you have already seen, Kyligence connector allows you to leverage the power of Excel to do further analysis on your Zen metrics in an easy manner.